Okay. Good afternoon, everybody.
Good afternoon, teacher Thomas.
Good afternoon, everybody. Somebody say good morning.
Who say good morning?
Afternoon, teacher Thomas.
Good afternoon, everybody. Good afternoon. You could say good afternoon, science too, yes? So guys, are you ready for today's science class?
Yes, I'm ready.
I'm ready.
Everybody ready?
Ready.
Ready.
Okay, guys, let's start today's science class. Okay, everybody. Today we will continue looking at Unit 4. What is Unit 4 called, everybody?
Soy.
Not soy. Soil.
Soil.
Letter L at the end. Soil. Yes. So, today we will continue with Unit 4. Soil. Okay.
Unit O.
Okay, guys. Today we will look at the different types of soil. Today we look at the different kinds of soil. Remember, there is more than one kind of soil. There is more than one kind of soil. There are 3 different types of soil. There are 3 different types of soil. Let's look at the first type here. What is this, everybody? What does this say in red? What does this say?
Sandy soil.
Sandy soil. Yes. The first one is sandy soil. Everybody? Sandy soil. Soil. Sandy soil. Sandy soil. Everybody.
Sandy soil.
Sandy soil.
Sandy soil.
One more time. Sandy soil.
Sandy soil.
Okay, so first we have sandy soil. What is this one? What does this say? This is clay.
Clay soil.
Clay. Same clay. Yes, that's where clay comes from. Clay comes from clay soil. Well done, guys. This is clay soil.
Clay soil.
Clay soil.
Clay soil.
Soil.
Clay soil.
Clay soil.
Oh.
Clay soil.
Clay soil.
Everybody, clay soil.
Clay soil.
One more time, everyone. Clay soil.
Clay soil.
Very good, guys. Very good. So this is clay soil. Clay soil. Okay. One more. What is this? Anybody know this?
Loamy soil.
Ooh, some of you get right. Yes, this is loamy soil.
Loamy soil.
Loamy soil.
Loamy soil.
Loamy
Loamy
soil.
soil. And what is
Loamy soil.
loamy soil?
Everybody, loamy soil.
Loamy soil.
Loamy soil.
Loamy
Guys, I
soil.
can see and hear who is speaking and who is not speaking.
I'm speaking.
I'm speaking.
Now on Zoom, I know who is not speaking because your microphones are off.
I'm
You have a
speaking.
little red sign next to your name when your microphone is not on. So I can see exactly who is speaking and who is not speaking.
Exactly C2.
Guys, part of your score for P2 will be participation. If you do not speak on the Zoom, your score will be smaller.
Oh.
Because you do not participate in the classes. Okay, so everybody, loamy soil.
Loamy soil.
Loamy soil.
Loamy soil.
That's better, much better.
5 people is a big.
Right, not enough of you are speaking.
5 people is a big.
You will need, that will need to change when you go to P3. That will really need to change. They are going to want to hear you speak more than okay. So guys, there are 3 different kinds of soil. Somebody's being very noisy on the Zoom.
Yeah, but what's loamy soil made of?
I will show you. So there are 3 different kinds of soil. These are sandy soil,
Clay soil
clay soil, and loamy soil.
loamy soil.
Okay. Let's now have a look at these 3 different kinds of soil. So guys, here you will need your science class book.
I don't have science.
Here you will have your science class book today. You will just have to watch and listen.
doesn't have.
Tom's putting his desk here. Okay. So guys, you will need your science class book, please. Everybody, please take out your science class book.
What page ว่าแล้วมันต้องตัน
Okay, guys. So, in your science class book, please turn to page 47.
Okay, teacher. Okay, teacher Thomas.
47 in your science class book, please. Page 47. This one here. Page 47. Okay. Page 47, everybody. Yep, you have. Your shoe, yes. That's right. So guys, what soil can you see on page 47? What soil? What kind of soil? We've just said the three
Sandy soil
sandy soil, yes. Sandy soil. So guys, that's right. Let's first have a look at sandy soil. Let's first have a look at sandy soil. Okay, guys, so
set on
sandy soil is made of what?
sand
Sand. Easy. Easy peasy. Sandy soil is yep, same sand you see at the beach. Sandy soil is made of sand. Sandy soil is made of sand. That's right.
And what's sand made of? What is sand made of?
They said that in 2/10 and 2/9 both say the same. Both say that me in picture. Because of my shadow look the same. Not because of this. Back of my head. That's just my hat. A hat. No, my hat is my hat. Not her hat. This is I wear hat.
What?
Yes, this is my hat. So well done, guys. Sandy soil is made of sand. Sand. Guys, sandy soil has the biggest pieces of rock. Sandy soil has the biggest pieces of rock. So the pieces of rock in sandy soil are bigger than the pieces of rock in clay soil or loamy soil. Sandy soil has the biggest pieces of rock. Sandy soil has the biggest pieces of rock. Okay. Now guys, sandy soil has loose particles. Sandy soil is very loose. if you pick up sandy soil, it will fall between your fingers. The sandy soil is very loose. Sandy soil has very loose particles. Sandy soil. That's right. Don't say me. Sandy soil has loose particles. Now, sandy soil has big empty spaces between the pieces of rock. There is lots of space between the pieces of rock in sandy soil. The sandy soil has big air spaces between the soil particles. Sandy soil has big air spaces between the soil particles. Now,
soil particle.
when water moves on to sandy soil, the water will move down into these spaces here. The water will move through sandy soil very fast. Water moves in sandy soil very fast. So sandy soil will hold very little water. Sandy soil will hold very little water because the water will move through the sandy soil very fast. Okay. Okay, guys. In your class book, can everybody now please turn to page 48. Everybody now, please turn to page 48. Here's page 48, everybody. Page 48. Hey guys, what soil can you see on page 48?
Clay soil. Clay soil.
Clay soil, yes, that's right. On page 48 is all about clay soil. Clay soil. Now guys, clay soil is made of what?
Clay.
Clay, yes. Clay soil is made of clay. Clay soil is made of clay. That's well done, guys. Guys, whereas sandy soil has the biggest pieces of rock, Clay soil
The smallest piece of
has the smallest pieces. Right? Who's making all that noise over Zoom?
and that's we made.
Guys, I can't have you shouting and playing over Zoom. Too noisy.
Shouting.
So, sandy soil has the biggest pieces of rock, but clay soil has the smallest
โมปิเตล
pieces.
คนเดิมจะกลับมาแล้ว
The rock in clay soil is very, very, very small. Teeny, 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 tiny. Teeny, tiny, tinsy, wincy, poopy, scoopy. Pieces of rock. The clay soil has the smallest pieces of rock. So, because clay soil has the smallest pieces of rock, the spaces
ผสมได้เยอะอีก
between the rocks is very, very small.
ก็อย่าให้ก้อนแดกคูคนเดิม
The air spaces between the pieces of rock are very, very small. So if the space is very small, the water will move through the clay soil very slowly. The water will move through the clay soil very, very slowly. This means that a lot of water will stay inside clay soil. A lot of water will stay inside the clay soil. So, this makes clay soil very sticky because clay soil can hold so much water. It is very, very sticky. You know sticky?
Yes, I
You
know.
word sticky? That's right.
Yes, I know.
Clay soil is very, very sticky. When you put water in clay soil, it will stick together. Sunday, you see clay soil? Yeah. Oh, yes. Oh, that's good. You go to the islands, okay. Not sticky, but maybe it was dry. So this makes clay soil very sticky. And because clay soil is very sticky, we can mold
Clay soil
clay soil into
into shape.
different shapes.
Very easy.
Very easy.
But how it's
The clay
from
soil-
water.
Right? Yep, clay soil. And when you put water in clay soil, it sticks together very well.
And I'll do a shape if I have this. If I have clay, I need to do that.
I have one. I made with clay.
You make
Ball.
that. You make that with clay, Muriel. Oh, very nice.
Yeah.
You make.
How? How did I get that?
She makes. Muriel makes with clay.
How to clay? How?
Make up
Mario?
with clay. Clay soil you can make into different shapes. Very easy. Here, you can make clay soil into a bowl or a cup or a plate. Many bowls, plates, and cups are made of clay. Ceramics. Plates and bowls are made of ceramics. Ceramics, if you can remember all the way back from last term, when we talk about materials, ceramics are made of clay soil. So we use clay soil to make plates and cups and bowls. Okay. Okay, guys, let's look at the next page. Page 49, everybody. Page 49. It's a little windy, guys. It's not windy, it's actually the fans. And Tom's at home today. Did you hear that, Tom? They say you're windy. Then Tom's at home today. It's windy, yes. Okay, guys. So just saying you're home, Hannah. Oh, very nice. Me too, yes. Well, not now. My home in England, yes. Thailand, I know how to garden, so no soil. So guys, what soil can you see on page 49? What soil? What soil can you see?
I think it's clay soil.
Not clay soil, no. Loamy soil.
Loamy soil.
Yes. Yes, guys, we've talked about sandy soil. We have talked about clay soil. So here, we will talk about loamy soil. Loamy soil. Okay. Now, guys, loamy soil is a mix of
Sand, silt, and clay.
silt, clay,
And
and
humus.
humus. When you mix sand, silt, clay, and humus together, this will make loamy soil. So loamy soil is a mix of sand, silt, clay, and humus. Loamy soil is a mix of sand,
Sand,
silt,
silt,
clay,
and
and humus, or humus if you prefer. Up to you. Okay. Okay, guys. So, loamy soil has big and small pieces of rock. Loamy soil has big and small pieces of rock.
pieces of
Remember, sandy soil has big pieces of rock. Clay soil
Clay soil
has
has
small pieces of rock. But loamy soil has big
and
and
small pieces of
small
rock.
pieces of rock. Loamy soil. What is it, Ram? What are you doing, Jing Jong? What's she doing, everybody? Why are you laughing then? What are you laughing at? Oh, I see. You're doing everything I'm doing. You're imitating me. Very nice, Jing Jong. That's not a nice thing to do. Okay. Watching you. Everybody knows. Okay. So, think so. So loamy soil has big and small pieces of rock. You okay, Sinto? What are you doing? Why are you moving your hat around like that? Okay. It's not that fly, is it? There's a fly buzzing around as well. So loamy soil has big and small pieces of rock. So here, the spaces between the rocks are big and small. Loamy soil has big and small air spaces between the rocks. Loamy soil has big and small air spaces between the rocks. So here, some water will move through the soil. Some water moves through the soil, but some water will stay inside the soil. Some water will stay inside the soil.
If some water stay inside the particles,
It does, yes. Some water will stay inside the soil. Another thing, guys, what are these? Can you remember?
there are lots of nutrients in
Nutrients.
loamy soil.
Nutrients, yes. There are lots of nutrients in loamy soil. Okay there? Okay. There
This
are
is for
lots
plants.
of nutrients in loamy soil. Remember, guys, nutrients are inside the humus. Humus has lots of nutrients.
So this is why loamy soil mixed with humus, so they got nutrients and you can plant trees.
That's right. That's why many plants grow in loamy soil.
Yes.
So guys, there are lots of nutrients in loamy soil.
Yeah, a lot.
So many plants grow very well in loamy soil. Many plants grow well in loamy soil. Okay. Okay, guys. On page 49, we have 4 sentences. 4 sentences. Very nice, guys. Here, I want everybody, Sinto, why are you doing that? You put your hat on your head or put away. Okay. Here, I want you to write the missing words for these 4 sentences. So guys, number 1, what soil is found at the beach? What
Sandy
soil do you think you find at the beach?
Sand soil.
You say somebody say Samsung.
Or sandy soil.
Sandy soil, guys, not Samsung.
Louis.
Say sandy soil is at the beach.
Yes.
Yes.
Oh,
Yeah.
well, sandy soil is
Yay.
commonly found on the beach.
The beach.
So you can say sandy soil for number 1. Guys, you're writing your words. Some people are not writing. The sandy soil is found on the beach, everybody. Pull your hood off over your face, Sinto, then you can see. If you move your hood, you can see. If you do that, you'll cover your eyes. You cannot see. Just like that. Sandy soil is most commonly found at beaches. Okay, guys, number 2. Let's see who was listening. What soil has the smallest spaces between the rocks?
I think it's
Clay soil, you say? Clay soil?
I think it yes.
Clay soil has small air spaces between the particles. Clay soil has small air spaces between the soil particles. So yes, you are right. Clay soil has the smallest air spaces between the particles. Well done, guys. You listened very well. I'm not told. I'm sure. stick man, yes. Oh, a little bit of a stick man, yeah. Number 3. Right. Very good. I'll be teaching Dean stick man too. He's so cool. Okay, guys. So, number 3. What soil is the best for growing plants?
Loamy soil.
What is the best soil to grow plants?
Loamy soil.
Loamy soil, you say?
Yes.
Okay, let's see if you are right.
Yeah.
Many plants grow well in loamy soil. Yes. Most plants grow well in loamy soil. Well done, everybody. For number 3, we can say loamy soil is the most suitable soil for growing most plants. Good guys, very good. Okay. Okay, guys, so okay, guys, number 4. Water moves through which soil most easy? Water moves through which soil really fast? Can you remember? No. No. Sandy soil has big air spaces between the soil particles. So water will move into these big spaces. Water will move into the spaces very fast and very easy. So we can say sandy soil for number 4. Water passes through sandy soil most easily. Easy peasy. Grandma Scrooge. Hi, is Grandma? Think so. Granny's grandma. Jump on his grandpa. Okay. Okay. Everybody is grandma. Okay. Okay, your grandpa. Okay, guys. Who finished? Page 49. Have you finished your words, everybody?
Finish.
Everybody on Zoom, have you finished?
Finish.
Yes, I'm finished.
I'm finished. Mario.
Mariel's finished too, yeah.
But I not. Oh, you finished, so I'm finished too.
Easy peasy, A10 squeezy.
What? Mario squeaky. I said squeaky. No, I think I'm going to say to other people, Mario. I think someone else.
Okay, think so.
าวซึ่งmana squeezy มะนาว
Okay, guys, are you finished?
Mana
Page
squeezy.
49.
I
Okay.
am finished.
Okay, guys, let's do one more activity.
I am really bored.
Maybe.
Think that will be it. I'm not
Maybe.
bored.
Okay, guys, have you finished? Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay, guys, let's do one more activity. One more. Do you have your workbook today? Okay. We have this book that I can see many of. I know how to. Okay, guys, in your workbook, everybody. In your workbook, please turn to page 33. Shouldn't be finished.
Okay.
I've not set this yet, so nobody should be finished. What did I say before about racing ahead in your books? Nobody should be doing pages I'm not asked to do. I will have to go on the line groups and talk to people about this because this is not good. Really not good. Nobody should be doing, guys, nobody should be doing pages I've not asked you to do yet. If I don't ask you to do, you do not do. You wait until I say. That is how we study. I hope people aren't finished. I hope you are not finished. You should not have started yet. Why do you do pages I not ask you to do? I not say, do not do. Only do if I tell you to, okay? Not, you have to wait. Have to wait until I teach you something. Can't answer questions on something before I teach you what that is. I have to teach you first before you can answer questions. So we're only doing the first question, exercise 2. Exercise 3 is a different part of the unit that I have not talked about with you yet. Guys, if you do your questions, you may not understand what they are. That is why I always ask you to wait. Okay. On page 33, please look at exercise 2. This is the only exercise we're doing today. Not exercise 3, exercise 2. Just two. I've not taught you exercise 3 yet. I'm not teaching you that yet. Anybody I see? Exercise 1, that's all you should have done is number 1. Just 1, not 2 and not 3, just 1. Okay, guys, exercise 2. Here we will match the 3 soils to the boxes here. So sandy soil. Is sandy soil got big and small pieces of rock? Big and loose pieces of rock, or rock that sticks together? So 1, 2, or 3. Sandy soil has the biggest pieces of rock, everybody. And sandy soil has loose particles. So it's number 2, guys. Sandy soil has big and loose particles. If you have already done your exercise, please check your answers. You should not do your exercise, but if you have, check your answers, make sure they are right. Okay. Check your answer. Check your answer then. Check your answer. Now, does water move in sandy soil fast, slow, or the right amount? Water moves in sandy soil very fast. So here we can say, let water through quickly. Okay. Let's look at clay soil, everybody. Is clay soil made of big and small pieces of rock, or small pieces of rock that stick together? So number 1 or number 3? How can it be number 2? We've already used number 2. Very nice. Remember, guys, clay soil has the smallest pieces of rock. And when you add water to clay soil, it is very, very sticky. Here we can say clay soil has fine particles that stick together. The guys, water moves in clay soil very slowly. We can say here, let water through slowly. Yes, guys, if you're not finished, you can do. Right. Hey guys, one more. Loamy soil. So what is loamy soil? 1, 2, or 3? Loamy soil has big and small pieces of rock. So loamy soil is a mix of both fine and thick particles. What about here? Do we choose 1, 2, or 3?
2.
2
is it can hold some water and let some water move through it. And many plants grow well in loamy soil.
Is there
So,
any picture?
we can say loamy soil can hold the right amount of water for most plants. Okay, guys, please finish exercise 2 on page 33. And we will stop here today. So please finish exercise 2.
I just finished exercise number 2.
Good guys. Yes, you can. Oh, magic, yes. Yes, you can. Hey guys, who finished exercise 2?
I finished.
Who no finished? Who no finished?
I know.
Guys, if you're not finished, you need to say. You should be finished because you should have been doing this while we were talking. I've got to go to another class now. I've got another class and I've got to go to 2/10. 2/10 trial. I'm your teacher here for the next class.
It's a Thai class.
Thai class, that's right. Okay, guys, we'll stop here today. So, thank you, everybody.
Thank you,
Thank
Thank you, everyone. Well done today. Did very, very good.